Om Amma. Happy New Year 2022. May the divine grace pour on every one of us. Today's topic about my Guru and Universal Mother, Mata Amrutanandamayi Devi. A perspective of Amma's child. Dear friends, millions call her Amma, the mother of love. Lakhs call her Guru, the spiritual master of the world. Thousands call her Avatar, Krishna, Kali, and Jesus. She solaces crores of people with a motherly hug and transmits the divine love. Thousands left their homes, inspired by her, to serve humanity and to seek the self-knowledge from her. Some tried their best to prove her a fraud, and a few even tried to finish her. She faced every kind of slander in her life. Yet, she remains unperturbed when praised or slandered and continues her mission of spreading love, dear friends. She is born in an ordinary fisherman's family in a remote village of Kerala. As a child and a teenager, she prayed to Lord Krishna intensively and became one with him. Yet she did all the household chores meticulously and served her siblings. She had a vision of Divine Mother and did the intense tapas for her and experienced the oneness of the creation with her. She says creation and creator are not two but one. From her childhood, she served the poor, attended to elderly people, prayed for the solace of suffering, and played with the children. She says lack of compassion and love in human hearts is the root problem of the human crisis today and is instilling in millions the spirit of compassion and love. She says if it is their karma to suffer, it is our dharma to serve them. Birds, dogs, cows, and sea were her friends. She loved them as they served her. She works 22 hours a day, sleeps a little, eats very little, travels around the globe, sharing the divine love, manages largest global network of charities and institutions like a micromanager, be it providing disaster relief, constructing houses for poor, giving food, scholarship, pensions, medical aid to poor or women, education and values to students. Her children across the world are in forefront. A magnetic personality. One moment she plays with the kids. Next moment she discusses with research scholars of her university and instantly turns around in the next minute to solace the depressed and also to impart the spiritual guidance to the seekers. She studied up to 4th class, yet speaks in world forums like UN, etc., with ease and clarity. She leads others by her actions, be it environment, women empowerment, or social issues, or charitable service. She is chiseling lakhs of her children in self-knowledge and is making them to serve the humanity with compassion and love. She is the divine love in human form, not just a personality, but a phenomenon of love that is swaying the globe and embracing the world today, dear friends. Her mantra is Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Her religion is love, dear friends.
അമൃതയുഗമാണു സത്യം സൽക്കർമ്മമോരോന്നു ചെയ്താൽ പാപഭാരം കുറയ്ക്കാം പുണ്യലാഭം വരിക്കാം അമ്മ തൻ സുന്ദര